Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to increase or decrease the spacing of different lines or paragraphs in Microsoft Word. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Microsoft Word software and say you can see here I have some lines, so you can see on different paragraphs, right? So this is the default spacing of the respective paragraphs or lines. So how you can increase or decrease? So if you want to increase all the lines or paragraphs, then just select all the text or words, and now you can see on the above here line spacing button. Just click on it and now you will see a tons of options like 1. So if you click on 1, you can see here the spacing will be with the value of 1, and if you select the value of 3.0, so you can see a spacing between the lines or the paragraphs will increase a lot. And now if you want to remove the spacing also, you can get here option. You can see here remove space from paragraphs, so you can see the spacing will be removed and it will be collapsed together. And if you want to add more spacing lines, then just select this option, line spacing option, and now you can see here below you can put a value here, how much value you want to put. Say I want to put here 5, and after that click on OK. Now you can see the spacing has increased much wider compared to the earlier one. So I have put a value of 5, so if you put a value of 10, 20, then it will get wider. So if you want to decrease it back, just click on the same button and you can just select the 1 if you want to give a spacing of 1. So using this option, you can easily increase or decrease the spacing of different lines or paragraphs in Microsoft Word very easily. So if you never known about these options available inside your Microsoft Word software, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.